Can you believe this? Right now, brand new YouTube channels in the senior health and wellness niche are exploding, pulling in millions of views and tens of thousands of subscribers in just a few weeks. Watch this entire video because at the end, I'll reveal a powerful secret that most beginners overlook, and it can completely change the speed of your channel's growth. Welcome back to Lucas AI Academy, the place where we turn advanced AI tools into real income. If you want to save time and increase your earnings, hit subscribe right now and grab the free gift I've pinned below a list of 800 top AI apps to help you create content and start affiliate marketing. Naval Ravikant once said, "Learn to make money while you sleep, or you will work until you die." Today, we're going to build that freedom together. You can already see how fast senior health channels are growing. For example, Wise Advice pulls in millions of views on every video and already has more than 400,000 subscribers. Or look at Senior Life Reset, brand new and already at 11,600 followers. That's clear proof of huge demand. Think about it. Older audiences are hungry for reliable, helpful content, and advertisers love this demographic because they spend heavily on health products. That means higher CPM and RPM for you. If you're searching for a niche that delivers both real value and serious income potential, this is it. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step to create a faceless YouTube channel in this exact niche. We'll set up the channel, optimize SEO so your videos are easy to find, and automate the entire production process using AI tools. By the end, you'll know how to upload professional-looking videos even if you've never edited before. I'll also show you how to automate everything with beginner-friendly AI. I once created a sample video in just 10 minutes, and the result looked every bit as polished as top creators. Don't miss the special tip at the end. It's completely free and can make a huge difference. Step 1. Create your YouTube channel. First, we need a channel name. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 unique YouTube channel names about senior health and wellness." Pick your favorite, then search it on YouTube. Click Filter. Channel to check whether the name is taken. If it is, tweak a word or two. Quick money tip, choose a name broad enough to cover subtopics like exercise, nutrition, or mental health. This keeps your content flexible over time. Avoid changing names repeatedly because it can hurt your recommendations. Back in ChatGPT, ask for a short, clear channel description aimed at your target audience, including tags and related keywords. Copy it for later. Next, go to YouTube. Click your profile photo. Choose Switch Account. View all channels. Create a channel, paste the name, click Create, and your channel is live. Click Customize Channel to open YouTube Studio. This is where you adjust layout, branding, and basic info. Paste in the description you just created. Step 2. Brand your channel. Not a designer? No problem. Use ChatGPT to generate a prompt like create a 1:1 logo image for a health channel. Then go to canva.com to design it. Too. For the banner, search YouTube banner in Canva. I like a nature-inspired theme to match the health vibe. Replace the text with your channel name and add a friendly subscribe call to action. When you're happy, download both logo and banner, then upload them to your channel. Adjust sizes, click Publish, and you now have a professional brand identity. Step 3. Channel keywords, SEO. Many beginners skip this. Don't. Inside YouTube Studio, go to Settings, Channel Size Keywords. Use the free tool Rapid Tags to find the best keywords for your niche. Copy and paste them, staying under the 500-character limit. This helps YouTube understand your content and recommend it to the right viewers. Step 4. Create your first video with VideoGen AI. Content is king. Start by researching what's trending. I found a competitor's video with huge views. I'll borrow the concept, but add extra value, changing the title from 7 signs to 9 signs. Small upgrades like this help you stand out. Click the link in the description to sign up for VideoGen. Google sign-in is fastest. On the dashboard, choose Create a video, standard stock. Set clip pace to fast for energy and select the 16:9 format for a cinematic look. Paste your tweaked title into the prompt box, choose English, and let VideoGen draft a script. If it's not perfect, refine it with ChatGPT, then click Generate Video.
So that help can be sought as soon as possible. First, sudden memory loss or confusion shouldn't be brushed aside. If a loved one is forgetting familiar names or places, or seems unusually disoriented, it could be an early sign of Alzheimer's or another form of dementia. Second, unexplained weight loss.
Need to change a scene, click the scene, then regenerate for a fresh autoclip. Upload to add your own footage. Change to type a new prompt and select a clip. Drag to adjust timing or split scenes to keep viewers engaged. Add your logo for branding and customize captions, font, color, size. Choose background music from the free library and set the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. VideoGen also provides natural AI voiceovers. Choose language, gender, and voice style. Then click Apply Voice to all sections. Export the video in 1080p or 4K. Click Export, and in just minutes you'll have a finished video ready to upload. Think about the time you've saved. No hours of manual editing. Consistency is key, and this tool lets you post multiple videos each week without burning out.
Our bodies can send us subtle signals when something isn't quite right. It's important for seniors and caregivers to recognize these early warning signs so that help can be sought as soon as possible. First, sudden memory loss or confusion shouldn't be brushed aside. If a loved one is forgetting familiar names or places or seems unusually disoriented, it could be an early sign of Alzheimer's or another form of dementia. Second, unexplained weight loss, especially if it happens quickly, can point to serious health issues like cancer, thyroid problems, or malnutrition. Always mention significant weight changes to your doctor. Third, if you notice shortness of breath or chest pain, don't ignore it. These symptoms could be related to heart disease and require immediate attention. Fourth, frequent falls or ongoing balance problems are often linked to muscle weakness, inner ear issues, or neurological changes and should be discussed with a healthcare provider. Finally, persistent pain or stiffness may indicate arthritis, diabetes, or other chronic conditions. Early intervention can make a big difference. Always listen to your body and seek medical advice if you notice these changes. Staying informed and proactive helps keep you and your loved ones healthy and safe.
Step 5. Upload and optimize. Back on YouTube, click Create, upload video, and select your file. Need a catchy title? Ask ChatGPT for 5 SEO-optimized options and pick your favorite. For the description, have ChatGPT write a keyword-rich paragraph. Next, create a thumbnail. I love using Leonardo AI for a striking base image, then adding bold text and a shadow overlay in Canva. A strong thumbnail can double your click-through rate, so spend a few extra minutes here. Use rapid tags again to grab keywords for this specific video and paste them into the tags section. Pro tip, add YouTube Shorts. Quick 30 to 60 second videos attract a flood of new viewers and help the algorithm notice your channel. Many creators reach monetization 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours faster by mixing shorts with long-form content. Remember, success isn't magic, it's consistent action. Upload regularly, learn from each video, and stay patient. AI helps you work smarter, but persistence builds real income. As Naval Ravikant wisely said, play long-term games with long-term people. Treat your channel as a long-term journey and the results will come. If this guide helped you, give it a like and hit subscribe so you never miss the latest AI tools and money-making tips. Leave your questions or video ideas in the comments I read and reply to everyone. Thanks for watching Lucas AI Academy. The best time to start a faceless AI channel was yesterday. The next best time is right now. See you in the next video.